You've been wondering how to create videos without showing your face, right? You're very shy to the camera and you want to create content and you don't want to show your face because you feel you're shy or you're not too good for the camera. Then this video is for you. Now, if you've been seeing people actually use their images to create talking videos and you're wondering how you can actually create all of those kind of videos, then this is for you also. So my name is Grace, and on this channel I share everything about how to make money, how to grow your business, how to get customers, right? If that is of interest to you, then I encourage you to make sure you join the family by subscribing to this channel and also set notification buttons on so that whenever I put a video out, you will be the first to actually get notified and come and watch so that you can go practice on it and take action. All right guys, now on this video I will be sharing with you how to actually create an AI image of yourself, okay, and turn that AI image into a talking video. Yes, so if you have been thinking of how to go faceless without showing your face, without showing yourself in a video, then your image can actually do the work for you. Now you can use this AI video, talking video, to actually create content for your business. You can also use it to actually advertise your product, your service, whatever it is that you are doing. Now, if you watch this video to the end, you will learn exactly how to create this so that you also can create yours and share with me in the comments of this video. Now, are you ready to get started? Let's go on right now. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, let's go on to learn how to create our AI avatar and also turn it into a talking video. Hey guys, so this is Google Gemini. So you go on googlegemini.com, right? And once you go on Google Gemini, you have something like this, okay? So you see here that you have 2.5 flash, okay? So you can see here, create image. That is where you have that banana. So that is your nano banana. So you click on nano banana so that this is where we can generate our image. So once we click on that, you can see that, the setting has actually changed, okay? So what we want to do now is to upload our image so that we can create our own AI avatar. So I'm going to look for an image of myself, okay, on my phone, right? So I'm clicking to actually look for my image. So I'll just search for a picture that I can use, right? And let's see what we find. So that you want to make sure that the picture you're using is something that is crystal clear and your face is very visible so that we can get the exact image that you want. So I found something, right, and it's uploading already. Now this is a prompt that I used. Create a hyper realistic image using the uploaded image, right? So I'm going to leave that prompt in the description of this video so that you can actually use that to create yours, okay? So I've asked it to generate the image, okay? After uploading and giving it the prompt, I'll ask it to generate the image and it's already generating the image for us. So let us just wait for some time to have the image generated. All right, so once the image is generated, then we'll go on to another app. Now all of these apps are something you can download from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you go to if you're using iPhone, then you go to your app store, right, to actually download these apps. All right, so this is the image it was able to generate for us. Right, is using, of course, it's looking like me because of the image I actually uploaded, right? So you'll see that whatever you give it to use, that is what it will use. So we are right now on the second app, which is the HenGen app, right? So you can also get that on your Google app. So you want to upload your image, okay? So you go to create video, right? You can see start with a picture. So we are using the picture that we generated, right, to create an avatar for ourselves. So I will choose on the image that we generated and go on to upload it to HenGen, right? So once I upload it on HenGen, it's going to give me, I'm going to give it also to actually add a voice. So you want to make sure that you have a voiceover that is ready, or you can actually record your voice on the app, right? So I'm going to choose from, because I've had a lot of pictures on it, I'm going to choose the one I want to use, right? So you can see that it is uploaded, and I've clicked on continue. Okay, so I'm going to click on where I have audio, so that I can actually use my voice. Okay, so I have my voice audio on the app, so I'm going to replace this image, because this is the one I used some time back. I'm going to replace it with the uploaded image that we generated. Okay, so once I upload it with the generated uploaded image, right, then I'm going to give it my voice to use. Okay, so it's trying to upload the generated image that I generated here. So you can see that the image is just coming up. So I'm going to replace it with that one. You can see replace avatar. So I'm going to replace it with that one. All right, so that that's the image we are actually using, okay, that we generated. So once it is uploaded, of course, I'm going to give it or ask it to actually use my voice also. So you can actually record your voice on your phone, then upload it to the platform, or you want to record directly on the platform, whichever works for you, right? It is very fine. So I'm going to use my voice that is on the platform already. I already have a recorded voiceover on the platform, so I'm going to use that. So where you see audio, you can see upload audio. So I'm going to just choose this new recording, because that is the one I have already, instead of uploading. So but you just choose that upload file there, right? So because I've chosen the one I have there already, it has been imputed to my image. All right, so I'm just going to play it, so that to be sure that that is what I have uploaded. Okay, so I'll just play it. You can see draft preview, so I'll just play it to hear what it has to say. You can actually use me to create content for your business. You can also use me to sell your product. You can use me to create a business YouTube channel. So you can see it's playing, right? So once I'm sure that that is the voice I want, then I'll just continue with my editing. Okay, so I'll go right now to ask it to generate for me. Of course, you want to make sure that you tell it to make your video to smile, right? Make the person smile and also gesticulate. Okay, so that's some of the prompts you can also use. Okay, you want to ask it to make the image to smile and also make the image to gesticulate while talking, okay, and looking at the camera. So stuff like that. So once I have given it that prompt, you will see where you have prompts there. So once I've given it that prompt, it will ask me to now generate my image. It will ask me to title my video. So I'll just give it a title, YouTube demo, stuff like that, right? So that I know that, okay, that is the demo for what I'm doing. So once I do that, I ask it to go ahead to generate the video for us. So here it is generating the image and the video for us. So we'll just give it some time, and you can see video submitted. So it is generating the video already for us. We'll give it time for it to generate. Now make sure that you do this, and also come on the description, on the comments of this video, to post your video when you generate yours, right? I would really want to see what you're able to generate at the end of watching this video. And if you find value, please make me give me thumbs up, right? Like this video, and also share with your friends. Okay, make sure you share it with your friends. Make sure you give me a thumb up, and also let me know in the comments that you found it valuable. So I'll just check it out to see if what we generated is good. You can actually, so this is like a preview, right? The network. Create content for your business. You can also use me to sell your product. So you can see that it's actually what I want at the end of the day. So I'll just go ahead to generate the video completely. All right, so this is just preview before I download it, so that you're sure that what you are downloading is the right video that you actually want to download. So I'll just go ahead and download the video to my phone so that I can use it for whatever it is that I want to use it for. All right, so that's just how you create this image. But for me, I actually have to do something extra, because I want my video to be looking nice, to be different from every others, right? So that you will not really tell that this is AI. So this is the generated image, right? This is the generated video at the end of the day. All right, so what I do is to take up this video and I'll put it up on Capcut. Okay, now this is not compulsory for everybody, right? But if you're like me and you feel that you just want to add some spice to the video, then you can of course take it to Capcut or InShot. Okay, that video editing app. Then take it up there and just edit some things a bit. So I will just add some brightness, I'll add some I'll add brightness, I'll add some sharpness to it. I will make it enhance it a bit, right? Make my face pop up a bit by making it smooth and all of that. Okay, so I'll just do all of those settings, right? And you can see all the settings that is there on the face. If you want to add makeup, if you want to do anything to your video, on the body part, if you want to reduce your body, I don't need to do all of those, right? So but you can do that depending on it. If you really want a Capcut video, then in the Skills to Earn Academy, you will learn how to actually edit your videos using Capcut. So you want to join the school to learn the full video editing using Capcut, right? So that's just how I do it. Then I also generate captions, right? So that when somebody is watching my video, they get to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so that they get to know what I'm talking about. If probably they don't have the ability to hear, they can have the ability to read, right? So this is me just adjusting the video and trying to make sure that the video is in the right direction or in the right position before I go ahead to download the video, right? So like I said, this is something that not for everybody, except you just want to add some spice to your video. You just want to make it more better, you want to make it more different. You can see that with my edit, the video is looking different from what we actually downloaded from Hengen, right? So you can see that that's the benefit of actually editing the video at the end of the day. It makes it look more real, right? More realistic for anybody that is watching, and it makes it look more nicer, right? So that it will not look like you actually did it on AI, right? Of course, we are trying to use this to actually sell our product. We are trying to make sure that we use it to create content for our businesses and all of that, right? So this edit is, of course, it's important if you are like somebody like me, right? But then it is not for everybody. So you can join the school to learn how to edit with Capcut, right? To get the full video of video editing and creation. All right, guys, so this is just basically what I do. I'll add caption to it, I'll add, some transitions to it, okay, to make it, more fine, from one gesture to another, right, so that it does not just go plain like that. And that is it, guys, right? So at the end of the day, I will just download the video and, we export the video and we have it on our phone. Then we can use it for whatever we want to use it for. I like adding my name to it, right? So I'll have my name written on the video, right? So that, everybody knows that, of course, it is mine. And wherever you see the video, you will always see my name on it. So you know that, this is from Grace Ibe, right? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. On this channel, I share everything about how to make money, how to grow your business, how to get customers in your business, right? If that is is of interest to you, then I want to encourage you to make sure you subscribe to this channel, because everything I do on this channel is basically how to make money for yourself so that you can live your best life ever, how to get customers, and also how to grow your business. Don't forget to like this video, guys. If you have not liked this video up till now, don't forget to like this video and also share with your friends. And also, I would want you to, in the comments, share with me your video, right? I want to see the video that you generated for yourself. Okay, so share it with me, all right, in the comments. Okay, so that is how you get your video ready. Now, you don't have, because of this app, right, the voiceover you'll be using might be just 20 minutes, right, or 20 seconds. So you can generate as much of these videos, then you come on Capcut and add them together. That is how you get, like 10-minute video, 20-minute video, whatever amount of, minutes you would want your video to run. All right, guys, I will see you again on another video. Let me know if you found value in this video. Let me know in the comments and say, Grace, I found value. And don't forget to actually share with me the video that you generated, and I will see you again on another video, guys. So this is the video that we actually created. You can see how beautiful it is.